Students, today we'll start with a new chapter, Bank Reconciliation Statement or BRS in short. In BRS, we need to find out or check and tally the differences that occur between the balance as per cash book and the bank balance as per passbook. You know, cash book is maintained by the business and passbook is maintained by the bank. Now, logically, these two should match. Both passbook and cash book balance must be same, but due to some reasons differences occur between them, and when differences occur we need to prepare a statement showing that due to these reasons the differences are there and this is the net balance as per the passbook or cash book. Now, what are the reasons of differences? For example, if I have issued a check to someone, I have deducted the balance in my cash book. In my cash book, I have deducted that this amount of check has been provided to someone. However, that person has not taken it to the bank. The person has not taken it to the bank. In that case, what will happen is, my balance has been reduced, but the balance as per the bank account is not reduced. So this is a reason of difference. The balance in bank will be reduced after the person takes the check to the bank. Now, till the person takes the check to the bank, the balance in the bank will be higher than the balance in the cash book. The next reason of difference may be some customer or some trade debtors have deposited the check to the bank directly. Some of my customers, those who are going to pay me, instead of paying me in cash, they have deposited the balance in my bank account directly. In that case, my bank balance have increased, but since I don't have any information about this, my cash balance have not increased. Similarly, if there are bank charges or some other charges deducted by the bank balance is reduced, but my balance is not reduced. On the other hand, if bank has provided us interest or the bank has collected dividend, in that case bank balance will increase, our balance will remain the same. So for these reasons differences occur. Now we'll directly move on to the questions on this chapter. Here if you see the question number 1, when debit balance or favorable balance as per cash book is given. Here balance given in the question may be debit or credit as per cash book, also for passbook. So we'll see different cases in this chapter. First of all, let us see debit or favorable balance as per cash book. Question number 1, Rimzim Limited maintains a current account with State Bank of India. On 31st March 2017, the bank column of its cash book showed a debit balance of 1,54,300. However, the bank statement showed a different balance as on that date. The balance as per cash book is 1,54,300, but the bank statement shows a different balance. So the following reasons of difference were traced out. So these are the reasons of difference. There are 6 reasons. The differences are occurring due to these reasons. We need to find out the balance as per the passbook. Cash book balance is given 1,54,300. We need to find out the balance as per the passbook. Now this is the format of a BRS. You can see here I prepared a BRS for you. First of all, you can see here at the heading it is written Bank Reconciliation Statement as on 31st March 2017. Next we have serial number, particulars, detail and amount. So it is just like the format of a journal except LF. There is no column for LF, rest everything is same like a journal. So first of all, we will write the balance as per cash book that is given in the question, 1,54,300, that we have written in the amount column. Next, we will make 2 separate spaces for add and less, as some items may have increased the balance, some item may have decreased the balance. So for that, we will make spaces for adding as well as for subtracting. So I have written add and less here, you can see. Now let us check out what are the differences and what are the reasons of differences. Number 1, check deposited but not yet credited by the bank. We have deposited the check in the bank, but the bank has not credited till now. So whenever we have deposited the check in the bank, the bank excuse me, the bank will credit the check in might be 1 day or 2 day or 3 days, but as and when I have deposited the check, I have increased the balance in my cash book, but the bank balance is not increased. Now I cannot change the bank balance. As of now, the passbook changing capacity I don't have. What I can do is, for the purpose of tallying the balance, I can subtract it from my cash book. So this I have done here. In less I have put number 1, check deposited but not yet credited. 75,450 was the amount given in the question. You can see here 75,450. The next reason is check issued but not yet presented for payment. Number 2, check issued but not yet presented for payment 80,760. We have issued check. I have issued check to someone, but that person has not taken the check to the bank till now. So as and when I have issued check, I have subtracted it from my cash book, that I have issued a check to that person, but that person has not gone to the bank. So my bank balance is still not reduced. Now I cannot reduce my bank balance because passbook changing capacity is only with the bank. The bank will be updating the passbook after the person takes the check to the bank. But till then, what I can do is, I can add the balance in my cash book. So in add, I have written check issued but not yet presented 80,760. Next is bank charges not yet recorded in the cash book 1,135. Bank charges not recorded in the cash book. The bank has charged some charges, that is 1,135, that is not recorded in the cash book till now. So what I can do here, I can subtract the bank charges. Since bank charges were not subtracted till now, I will subtract the bank charges. So bank charges not yet recorded is recorded now 1,135. Next is insurance premium paid by the bank as per standing instruction but not recorded in the cash book. Standing instruction means we have provided instruction to the bank that on the due date, please debit the amount or deduct the amount from my account and pay such and such insurance premium on the due dates. Because I may forget to pay it on the due date and I may need to face penalties. So better I have instructed the bank that on the due date, deduct the amount from my account and pay the insurance premium. So accordingly, bank has paid the insurance premium as per my standing instructions, but bank has not provided the information about it to me. So my bank balance is reduced, but I have not reduced the balance in my cash book. So what I will do here, I will record it, insurance premium paid by the bank. I will also deduct 15,400. Next is number 4, check received from the trade debtors. Check received by the bank directly from the trade debtors. As I have told you earlier, some of my customers have deposited the money in my bank account directly without informing me. So my bank balance is increased, but my cash balance has not increased. So I will also increase my cash balance by writing check received directly from debtors. Number 2 here, check received directly from debtors 1,35,200. And at last, number 6, dividend collected by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. The bank has collected some dividend on my account. The bank has collected dividend, and that dividend till now is not recorded in the cash book as I was not having any information regarding that. So I will also record that dividend in my cash book. So dividend collected by the bank 1,000 I have added here. Now you can see you got 3 items under add and 3 items under less. You got 3 items under add and 3 items under less. So what you can do here, you add the 3 items of add, write it on the outer column, that is amount column. From details, all 3 items under the add heading you will add and you will put it here. So 80,760, 1,35,200 and 1,000. When you add these 3, you get 2,16,960 that I have written in the outer column. Now similarly, the 3 items under less heading, you add these 3 also and together we will subtract it from them. So when you add 75,450, 1,135 and 15,400, you get 91,985. 91,985 is the total of these 3 less items. So this will be together subtracted from 1,54,300 and 2,16,960. So what we will do, 1,54,300 and 2,16,960 will add, and from there we will subtract 91,985. So you will get 2,70,000